What's up, guys? Just going to show you what I've been working on. This is the Super Cub plans. There's the one I made, looked like the carbon cub. And I took the same plans and made a J-3 cub. Looking sweet. Now I just went ahead and built this one to have a backup fuselage in case any crashes. And all the parts are just off the Hobby Zone Super Cub. The landing gear, and the struts, tail wheel. Now for on part 4 we finished up. I said I was going to go ahead and paint it. So what I did was, before I did any clear packing tape, I went ahead and painted it. And I went ahead and took off the zip ties that held down the carbon fiber rod. Took those off, painted everything. Then go ahead and clear packing tape over your whole wing. And after you put your monocoat decals on for your windshield and your side windows, I even made the decals out of monocoat black. So after I painted, I applied my decals, then I clear pack tape most of the plane. And again, this is just all foam board. Now for mine, I'm going to take the Hobby Zone Super Cub cowl and I'm going to install this on my J3 Cub here. And again, these are all parts from the Hobby Zone Super Cub. I'll just take and cut this where I need to. I'll cut off the nose of the plane. I'll build a motor mount with a box to hold the motor, and then this will slide right over, and I'll just screw it. Maybe 3 screws, one on top, one on each side. I think this cub turned out sweet. As you can see, I got the wings, I made them removable. Now for your wing mount rods with caps, in the build video I made sure I didn't glue those because I went ahead and pulled them out before I painted the fuselage. Then I took and applied all my decals, and then I put those back in. And what I'll do is I'll go back on the inside in here and hot glue it from the inside, the wing mounts. And I'll put a lot of hot glue on the foam, and just to make it more stronger. There you can see our balsa wood on the bottom there. And I still got to cut. I'm waiting for my landing gear in the mail. I still got to cut out a notch here for the landing gear to snap in. And then they simply screw on with 4 screws. And here's the wing mounts holes. So this whole square is balsa wood. And you guys can go ahead and make some air release vents back here. I would just cut out like 2, so any air that comes through the nose is able to flow out the plane. Turned out sweet though, you guys. Again, the wings just get snap on with rubber bands. Alright, that's the Super Cub painted as a J3 Cub. You can get the plans at foamconceptjets.com. And even for this plane, if you guys want, you just can paint it, or you just can put monocoat. I mean, if you just want to take your time and put monocoat over the foam, you can also do that. But I usually just paint my planes. Here's the paint. You can use testers. I actually like the Tamira color. Tamira works awesome. And here I went with camel yellow. And I'll show you guys my J-3 cub that I designed and built here with floats. And I went ahead and used the Hobby Zone Super Cub floats. They're my pilot little cub. Pretty cool. I'll go ahead and show you guys the light system I hooked up on this. Still installing the lights. My tail light. Shut off some lights. My landing gear. And you can switch the lights to do different things. There's for landing. Off. Things turning out sweet. Alright, I'll do another video to show you how to install landing gear on the little J3 cub there. Alright, we'll get back with you some more builds. Over and out.